everyone, I hope you all are fine. So intercept is a formula used in Excel to find the y-intercept. So today we are going to find out the y-intercept value. So let's begin. Place equals to sign, then intercept. Select y-axis as well as x-axis, both the values. First you need to select only y-axis and then put comma, and then afterward select x-axis. So you can find out like y, comma, then x-axis, and then press enter. So you can find out the value of y-axis intercept. So I hope you understand this method. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.